What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. It's a pleasure to have you here. If you're new here, my name is Nancy or Queen_Nancy, and karibu sana. It's a pleasure to have you here as a new subscriber. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. You'll forgive me guys, I'm having a flu, but I guess I'm clear and I'm audible. So right here I'm at Mayugno's plot. That is where Mayugno bought. We all know that Mayugno bought some land, and he is currently building. He's building a store. That is a 2-room store where he'll be storing his stuff. The first room is a store, and then the second room will be like a room where he'll be spending, as he'll be watching or will be supervising the people who work at his place or at his villa when he'll be building the villa. So I've come to check on him and see the person that I have right here. I didn't find Mayugno, but I found this guy right here.
Hello guys, my name is Mapopo. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. No, my YouTube channel nakuwa nimekosea.
Nancy's YouTube channel.
Yes, unifundishe bwana. Mimi I'm learning English slowly, you know guys. Yes. So I'm working today. I'm working here, you know guys. You see guys up there.
Yes.
So yes.
That's where Mayugno is building.
Yes, Mayugno land.
Yeah, that's Mayugno's land where he's building.
Yes.
We have these crops right here that we are passing by, and we're going to the river. Guys, we are heading to the river right over there. We're going to see where Mayugno gets his sand. And then something interesting, guys, let me show you something. We were here today and we found, you can see that the weeds here, you see these weeds, guys, they're kind of drying up. It's because they were being sprayed with some, I think it's a spray. Yeah, they were being sprayed with some pesticide. I don't know, it's pesticide or whatever that makes them to dry up. So they're not going to weed this maize, but they're spraying so that the weeds can burn. So here we're heading with Mapopo. Mapopo, let's go.
Yes.
We're heading with Mapopo to the river. Mapopo, hivi tunaenda kufanya nini huku chini?
Huko? Nataka nikuoneshe, umeniuliza penye tunatoa mchanga.
Yes.
Nataka nikuoneshe tunapotoa mchanga. You know guys. So me I'm going to kukuonesha unasemaje? To show me. Yeah, to show you.
Yes.
To show you
where you get sand.
Yeah, to searching sand.
Yes.
Down river.
Yes, so Mapopo is going to show me where they're getting sand that they use for building at Mayugno's land.
Yes.
And guys, Mayugno alipata nyumba karibu na boss, si ndio?
Yeah, of course. Mayugno is a neighbor for Marwa house.
Yes.
For Marwa villa.
Let's show them.
Yes, let's show them. You see guys?
You see that white house?
Yes.
That is Marwa's villa.
Yes.
Mayugno is just a neighbor to Marwa. It's right there.
Yes, it's 1 acre. Is you are getting 1 acre. You are get to Mayugno land.
Yes. It's not far, it's a walking distance. Leo unaweza tembea ukienda.
Yeah, unatembea tu ukienda kwa mguu.
Hata utakuwa unaombana chumvi.
Yani unaenda tu unamwambia nini? Bwana njoo huku njoo, come you see me. Today I'm taking dangerous.
Yes, but Popo is saying that they are close neighbors.
Yes.
So Mayugno can shout from his house and Marwa can get him from his villa.
Of course.
Yes. Atapiga kelele pale wamsikize.
Na anakuja. Anakuja chap kidogo. So my friend, before you are getting my house to Mayugno, you are getting, you see Mayugno, you are not around. You see me live. You know me I'm top handman, you know guys.
Yes.
So sometimes I am stopia. People is building house. You know, you understand stopia.
Stopia?
Yes, stopia and is stopia is wait. Stopia is yule na mwenye anasimamia ujenzi.
The person who is in charge of building a place.
Yes, me I'm stopia. I'm stopia small handman. So me I'm big handman. Me I'm top handman.
For Mayugno.
For Mayugno.
Yes.
So Mayugno is not building house. You know, me I cannot around. Is not working.
Yes.
Me I'm working every day for Mayugno land. You know, guys.
Yes.
So no problem, my friend. Welcome. Me I'm loving Vista every day, every time. Me I'm here. You know, guys.
Yes. Mayugno is.
So
Mapopo is here.
I'm hug Mlembo. I'm hugging mlembo. You know guys, mlembo in English is
a beautiful lady.
A beautiful girl.
Yes.
Imagine guys. Imagine name like Europe, imagine like name is queen.
Yes.
You name is queen, you know?
Yes.
Name ni jina yako ni
queen.
Queen.
Yes.
Imagine guys. Queen is not queen to bumba bumba. Is not name to bidding. To jenga. No. Is a true name, is a real name.
Yes.
Yes, from 20 years ago. I know.
Guys, that is Marwa's house. I guess it's now visible. Hiyo nyumba sasa inaonekana vizuri.
Yes, hapo ipo poa.
So that is Marwa's house, Marwa's villa. They are neighbors with Mayugno. Ndio hapa.
Oh, yes.
They are neighbors with Mayugno. Mayugno is right up there.
Yes.
And Marwa is right here.
Yes.
Yeah, so they are neighbors, guys. They're not far away.
Of course.
Yes, so we are here. The environment is very green. Onapa venye kuna ni green vizuri. Watu mepanda mimea.
Wacha niwaambie kwanza kidogo.
Yes.
You see guys, my name is Mapopo, you know guys.
Yes.
Please subscribe. You are finishing to watching video, my friend. Please
subscribe to Mapopo.
Subscribe to Mapopo channel. Imagine guys.
On the road to 5,000.
5,000 subscribe, my friend. You know guys. So you are not subscribe me and not survive to my YouTube channel, my friend. You know guys. Yes. So support me. Me, I am funny, of course. I am funny. You are watching video, I smile too much.
Yes, Mapopo is you are funny.
Yes, me I am funny. Me I'm jikubali.
And we have a plot here of hivi unahitaji?
Hizi ni sukuma. Hizi ni sukuma za kizungu.
Sukuma wiki, right?
Sukuma wiki like German.
And they are so good.
Like Europe. You know guys, izipandwa like mstari.
The sukuma wikis are so nice. They are so healthy. Maybe we can get down here.
Yes.
Yeah, you see how healthy they are, guys. Yes. And it's a big plot.
Yes, a big plot.
Near the river.
It's a big shamba.
Now, how am I going to get out of this place?
No problem.
Let Mapopo hold my hand. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, we have a maize plantation right there.
Yes.
Some are over there, and we are almost at the river, guys.
Yes.
Check Mapopo out. Mapopo is on the road to 5,000 subscribers.
5,000. You know,
yes.
So subscribe, please. Now,
subscribe.
You are finished watching video.
Watch the ads.
Ads.
Don't skip the ads.
Yes, ads is money, of course.
Yeah, the ads is money.
Yes.
We also have tomatoes.
Yes.
Nyanya. Unajua nyanya?
In Swahili nyanya.
Yes, in Swahili is nyanya. In English is tomatoes. You can see the ripe ones here. Okay. It's a farm of everything here. Guys, let's proceed to the river.
Yes.
And see where they get their sand. We are already at the river, guys.
Yes.
And we have a bridge here, a local bridge. Hivi mnahitaji hii kwa Kiswahili Mapopo?
Hiyo kwa Kiswahili. Inaitwa nini?
Daraja, sivyo?
Daraja.
Yeah.
So in English is flyover. Flyover for villa.
Yeah, flyover for villa.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah,
flyover for villa in the river. Yes.
Mchanga uko wapi?
Mchanga is up there.
Tuvuke?
Yes.
So guys, we are I'm afraid. Woo!
Oh, you are afraid?
I'm afraid I might fall.
I'm move not shika mtu.
Guys, I'm afraid. And Mapopo is moving freely.
Is moving freely.
You don't hold.
Don't touch me muti.
Okay. So we are here. We are past the river.
Yeah.
We have some napier grass behind us, some cows grazing.
Yes.
Right there. And some cows in front. The river is still flowing. Right here. So here is the sand, Mapopo.
Yes. You see, guys. Yeah, sand is here. So me, I'm kusimamia wanasemaje sasa?
Kusimamia nini?
Kusimamia kazi.
Oh, you are in charge?
Yes, me I'm in charge. Small handman.
Yes.
Is coming people, whole people is coming villa here. Villa here is move sand from down. You see guys, you see. And
from down here.
From down here to.
This is sand.
Sand is move from down here. Is and the Koreo.
Using a spade.
Using a spade. Is the move is the lushia hapa. After here is after putting here is the move.
They move it to here,
yes,
up there.
Yes, up there. So car is coming. Car is coming is parking here. So people is coming and and
they put into the lorry or the truck.
They put to the lorry the car.
Yes.
Yes, like this. Chop, and me. Yeah, and me I'm working here. Before me I'm working here. I'm searching sand here. And 1 week ago. Yes, I'm working here to search sand. Yes, and we are buying sand to
use it. To use
to building house.
Oh yes.
Yes, yeah. To working to building house. Yes.
Sasa hivi ni shilingi ngapi? How much is this?
Hii ni inakuwa ni 100,000 na elfu sijui ni aje.
Pesa ya Kenya.
Pesa ya Kenya. Pesa ya Kenya wanasema ni 12,000.
Oh, 12,000.
12,000.
That is roughly $100.
Yes.
Yeah, that is a truck full of sand is 12,000 Kenya shillings. That is $100.
Yes.
Yes. So here is where Mayugno gets his sand that he uses for building.
And the next year.
Yeah, there's another one right there as well.
Yes. You see guys in the neighbors is living here. Yeah, is eating majani. What is the majani in English?
Leaves.
Leaves.
Yes.
Is eating leaves. Leaves. Sorry.
Or vegetation. Vegetation.
Or vegetation.
Yeah.
Or vegetation.
Yes.
Sometimes English is hard. Sometimes English is sweet like chocolate. Sometimes me I'm smiling. Sometimes I'm smiling because it's broken. Sometimes me I'm speaking broken. I'm smiling.
But nowadays umeimprove kabisa.
Wow.
Eh.
Sure.
Kabisa. Congratulations.
Wow. You see guys, next is here.
Yeah, this is the sand.
Yes, the sand
from the river.
From the river down here. Yes, you see?
The sand
is move here. You see guys? Is he move here, down here? Yes, is he putting here up there? After putting here,
they get it there.
They get it.
They put it there.
They getting the book, put it there.
Just say they put. Somehow they put it there.
They put it there.
Yes.
Don't worry. Slowly.
Kweli. Pole tu.
Pole. And me I'm going to speak good English like Europe.
Yes, you will.
Of course.
And the river flows very well.
Next year.
Another sand.
Mayugun is not sumbuka. Mayugun is taking sand here. After car is coming to take sand like this. Is going to Mwagaling.
Yeah, at his site.
Yeah, to Mwagaling to the site. Is going to the Mwagaling.
Yes.
So don't worry, is cannot sumbualing. So and my brothers my marwa.
Yes, brothers Marwa's villa is right there.
Yes. So next people is happy to take sand like this here villa. No. Here.
Hivyo chunga sikugonga.
Huyu hagongi hana noma. Is he take sand like this? Is he move? Is he going to the land?
To Marwa's villa.
To Marwa's villa.
Yeah. It's okay.
English is hard, my friend.
Yeah.
English is hard.
No, English is easy. It's not hard.
Yo.
Yes. Yo. So guys, we are now going back to Mayugno site.
Yes.
We are going to meet Mayugno.
Yes.
Sasa hivi Mayugno amerudi, si ndio?
Of course.
Yeah. Amerudi. So let's go meet Mayugno.
Yes.
I have something for him that I want to give him.
Yes. Wait. Phone is called.
Mapopo is receiving a call, guys.
Yes.
So guys, I'm back from seeing where Mayugno gets sand, and right here with me is Mayugno.
Yes.
I've found him.
He's found him.
Yeah.
Like German.
Yes.
Yes, guys, you know, Queen Nancy, we come to survey here with my land, in the my land today. So we come to survey, you know. So today I'm here with Queen Nancy.
Yes.
Queen Nancy from border.
Yes.
Hispania. And me, I'm living Tanzania border. Queen Nancy living border Hispania. You know, organization is done in not long. Is like to say 1 kilometer.
Yes, not even a kilometer. See, hata haifiki kilomita moja.
Haifiki kilometer.
Yeah.
So don't worry.
Yeah. So
yes.
Guys, I wanted to support Mayugno.
Yes.
With something little.
Yes.
I remember I had promised to give you something.
Yes.
And now I am here to give you something.
Yes.
And with something little, Mayugno.
Yeah.
Nataka nikusupport kwa kitu kidogo.
Yes.
Yes, so that he can continue the work that he's doing.
Imagine.
So that is the surprise that I have for Mayugno.
Yes.
And let's see, I don't know. Unaangalia.
Imagine, naangalia kwanza. Unajua, guys, you know, people promise to Queen Nancy promised me you need to surprise.
Yes.
Surprise, I don't see surprise already. I see you touch phone like German.
So, like German.
So, you need surprise inatoka kwenye simu au ni surprise?
Wewe utaona.
Don't worry.
Utaona.
Imagine.
So maybe you can sijui kama imefika hivi.
Don't worry. Guys, I'm going to open the surprise. Like German. Kwanza watu wamepiga miss call. Imagine on Instagram already is Rindima here. Like German and me I'm Rindima like this. Sure. Na kufungua password. Kitu ni chonjo sasa. Like German. Imagine. Imagine. 3500.
Yes.
Inaitwa
3,500.
Imagine. Hiyo ni simiti tano.
Yeah, so Mapopo
5 cement. Thank you so much.
Now you can use that to
Imagine guys, show them. Show them na kuficha true balance. I'm featuring balance like this. Show them. Balance nyingine bado iko juu. I'm featuring. Show them.
That is it.
You see?
Yes.
Imagine. I'm featuring. So, unajua lazima ifichwe. Don't worry. Thank you so much my sister. God
You're
bless
welcome.
you so much, so much. You support me like this. You give me morale. You know, tomorrow I'm going to buy 5 bags to cement.
Yes.
Thank you so much to support me. God bless you so much like German.
You're welcome. And also
Sasa ngoja unajua
Matilde. Later you.
Already I'm working with the cement. Natembea na cement. I'm working like
But Mayugno said that he's working with cement.
Another surprise. Kwani leo mnamwagika mafura. Today I'm kumwagika
like German.
Like German.
Yes, like
5,500. 3,000. Ngoja ngana niangalie madawadi.
Usiangalie.
Aya, I'm kufumbari.
So let Mayugno close his eyes.
I'm kufumbari.
Mayugno, I got this thing for you.
Yes.
This is on top of what I've given you.
Yes.
Ya kile ambacho nimekupa.
Yes.
Nataka nikupe hii pia.
Yes.
Yes, hiyo ni yako.
Imagine.
Usijali, hii ilitengenezwa Nairobi Katumwa.
Imagine.
Yes. So that is
Sirari. Hii ni from subscriber.
No, me.
No,
from you.
Queen Nancy, guy.
Imagine, don't worry.
No, that is hiyo nimekuongeza juu ya ile.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, Queen Nancy. God bless you so much.
Amen.
Imagine.
Utafungua mutaacha.
Lazima sasa hii nafungua kwenye video yangu. In my video.
Baba.
I don't open here guys. Going to check me on my video. Today in the live. Rindima to my live. Today you're going to show them big surprise.
Why don't you want to open it here?
Yeah.
Secret agenda.
We secret agenda.
Secret agenda.
Labda ni bomu iko ndani litanifuka.
Ngoja nikalipue nayo kwenye channel yangu. I'm going to kulipukaring and in my channel.
Guys, Mayugno doesn't want to open this present here. He says he wants to open it in his channel while he'll be doing his live. He has a live today.
Yes.
So unfortunately, he doesn't want to open it here. But how I wish he would have opened he would have opened it here.
I'm very happy. I'm a drink happy. And
Si ufungue.
kwenye live. Guys, going to check me on my live today. You're going to enjoy video going open. Mayugno, wait.
Hey, Mayugno.
Already you trying, you see. Sirari, I don't give you T number, no. Like German.
Why Mayugno? Where?
Tutafungua kwenye video yangu.
It's okay, guys. So let me end this video here. Mayugno has refused to open it right here. So let me end the video here. Thank you so much.
Kitu guys, nusa, uambie wanuze. Inanukia perfume. So guys, is perfume inside, you know. Nusering. Wao wasikia harufu, wanaona tu kamera. Don't worry.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly check out I am Mayugno.
Yes.
Road to our 20,000 subscribers.
Imagine. You're wait, what guys? Big surprise. I know. Secret agenda. Secret agenda. Yes.
So it's okay. Thank
Big
you
surprise.
Hey,
3,500. bag cement, 5 bag cement. Queen Nancy, so going to check me on my video tomorrow. We come like German. You're going to show them I'm going to take 5 bag cement through my sister here. God bless you. Nipe mkono wako wa kulia. Mungu akubariki sana in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Fumba macho. Mungu bariki chakula chetu. No.
Guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Let's end the video right here. It's a pleasure to have you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel,
yes,
we're on the road to 5,000.
5,000.
Yes, guys.
Support my sister. You see my sister will come to supported me in my work on through. I don't understand inside is what. So I'm going to open on my YouTube channel. Going to check me. I am Mayugno. Subscribe, watch video. The big surprise, secret agenda. Don't worry.
Bye, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Like German, I love you. On the mashavu. Don't worry.